I was sent this CD mount for CarPlay and Android Auto screens by a company called SkyTitan, and I gotta say, this is really cool because I absolutely hate trying to mount something on my dash that's textured, and there's just too many things I mount on my window as well. And this thing works great, and it's super well made, very strong, sturdy. It just fits in your CD slot, and you tighten it down, and it's in there really well. It doesn't move, and it really does a nice job. And it'll let you articulate as well. Once you get it put on here, I'll show you. I'm testing with my CarPlay screen that I recently got, and it fits on there really nicely. When you drive, it's not bouncing around or anything like that, and it can be manipulated, so you can put it at whatever angle you like. And I highly suggest looking at one of these if you're looking at some alternative to the traditional mounts that are available. It's the CD mount for CarPlay screens by SkyTitan.